So welcome to the Phonics fortune teller instructions. This is one of the traditional fortune teller type origami activities. First thing you're going to do is you're going to have to cut it out. Now we're going to cut it into a square. This is the same if you have the template or if you have the one that we've prepared for you. If you give your students to cut, of course, make sure they're okay with the scissors. If you do it, I would use something where you can cut many at a time. So when you've cut it into a square, you put it down, make sure that it looks like a square, that it's lined up, and then you have to fold it in half. Now the best way to do this is if you do it with the blank side up. So you fold it in half, and then you can open it up again, and you fold it in half the other way as well. This is so it's easier to fold later on, but it also makes a cross, and it shows you some lines of where to fold your corners. It's quite useful. It can be quite tricky to do, especially for younger learners. So the first fold you want to do is you want to fold one of the corners into the middle. And when you do this, it looks like a diamond, or as I say, a Superman badge. The next one, you want to fold another corner into the middle, and then it looks like a house. And then the third corner, and now it makes a little envelope. And then you fold the last one into the middle as well. So now you have the colors and the numbers all on one side, and then all the words on the other. Now you want to put the colors up, the words up, and you repeat. So you fold the numbers in to make the diamond. You fold the other numbers in to make the house. You fold the third one in to make the envelope. And then finally you fold the fourth one in to make the square again. And this time you can see you have all the numbers on one side. And on the other side you have all the colors. Now you want to fold the colors so they meet. Make sure everything is in place. And give it a good fold. So you've got yellow, red, blue and green. Now the next bit's more tricky. It's where to put your fingers. So with your finger and thumb, after you've folded it, you put your finger into the flap. That's the flap with the color. And then your thumb into the opposite flap. So you're holding it quite tightly with your thumb and finger. Then you do the same on the other side. You tuck them in. It'll be a little bit rough, but when it's in, you can straighten it out. And then you push into the middle. It will fold. You've already made the folds, and it will look a bit strange, so you just straighten it out to make it look a little bit more pretty. Now when your students do this, they can of course color these. And the fortune teller is ready. Now you need to know how to play it. So you pick a color. This one will pick blue. Then you spell blue, B-L-U-E, and you open the fortune teller. Then you pick a number. We'll pick 2, 1, 2. And you open 2. And then your student or children has to do what's the instruction that is inside. This is, can you say the word and the sounds? So it's et, net. And they fold it back in, and somebody else can try. Let's choose green this time. G-R-E-E-N. And then we'll pick a number. Let's pick 4. And then you can pick another number and open it. I pick 3. And it's the same one. Can you say the word and the sounds? So all, ot, lot. You close it up and it's ready to go. Now, of course, when your students do this, I hope it's way more colourful than the one we've made. This is just to get you started in case you don't know. The template you can change to anything you want. You could do sounds, you could do digraphs, you could do sentences or rhymes or poems, anything that will fit in there, just to get them reading. We've done it as an easy CVC one because, of course, this is in one of our CVC books and it's more useful there. But with the template, you can do anything you want. Thanks for watching. Feel free to hit subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Goodbye.